It's Friday, March 26, 2021, 2:16 p.m., Arizona.
Ready?
Bullhead City, our brand new air conditioner, starting in the window for the first time.
It's on.
There it is. This is a Danby air conditioner. The whole thing was
Well,
$225
what have you been doing?
tax and delivery. And it now has a remote. The remote has a thermometer built into it. And if you should walk too far away from the air conditioner while it's off, the thermometer will pick up the temperature and if needed, kick back in. It also has a Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so I'm going around out the side to keep this video going. And the reason why I want to get for the record the stand we built. So here we go. We're at San Gennaro RV Park for now. Taking the video of the maiden voyage of the air conditioner. Yeah, we're not going nowhere with that. I tell you what, so far, I guess it's been running 30 seconds, so I'm happy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough for this video. Oh, wait a minute. Let's zoom in on the box down here. That's the box it came in. And that's it for now.